Is a 7-day prep time for the ASVAB realistic? Honestly, it's enough to make a real difference if you use those days right. My name is Matt, and on this channel, we break down everything that you need to know to walk into the Armed Services Vocational Aptitude Battery, or ASVAB, prepared. In this video, I'm giving you a complete 7-day ASVAB prep plan that goes day by day, section by section, what to study, how long to study it, and how to make every session count even if you've only got 30 minutes to spare. Let's go. Maybe your test date snuck up on you. Maybe life got in the way, and maybe the study plan that you had in your head never quite made it onto the paper. Either way, you're here now, and that counts for something. We're starting with a diagnostic on day 1 so that you know exactly where to focus, then working through the sections that move your score the most: arithmetic reasoning, math knowledge, word knowledge, and paragraph comprehension. By the middle of the week, you'll be drilling the job-specific subtests that unlock the role that you actually want. Day 6 is a full practice test to measure how far you've come, and day 7, we sharpen what you know and get you ready to walk in confident. Every session is built for 30 minutes or less, because this plan works around your life, not the other way around. The ASVAB isn't just a test that you take to get in. It's the test that determines what you do once you're in. The score decides which jobs are available to you, which paths are open, and how much leverage you have when it's time to choose your role. A few extra points in the right section can be the difference between the job you want and the job that you're assigned. And the window to prepare is short. 7 days from now, you could walk into that test room knowing exactly what to expect, having drilled the sections that matter most, with a real shot at the score that opens up the door that you're aiming for. So, day 1, don't study today, diagnose. Take a full-length timed practice test and treat it like the real thing. When you're done, go section by section. Where did you lose the most points? That list is your study plan for the rest of the week. Your Armed Forces Qualification Test score comes from 4 subtests: arithmetic reasoning, mathematics knowledge, word knowledge, and paragraph comprehension. If you're weak in any of those areas, that's your priority. Day 2, get into arithmetic reasoning. This is the section that trips up almost everyone. It's not complex math, it's applying basic math to word problems quickly and accurately. The challenge is the setup, not the arithmetic. Cover these 5 types: percentages and percent change, ratios and proportions, rate and distance, multi-step word problems, and fractions. Start by reading each problem twice, underline the key numbers, set up your equation before you solve, and always review every miss. Drill 20 practice problems timed at 60 seconds each and review every miss. On day 3, focus on mathematics knowledge. This section tests math concepts directly, no word problems, just straight up math. The content is finite and coachable. Make sure to cover basic algebra, number properties, exponents, square roots, geometry fundamentals like area, perimeter, volume, Pythagorean theorem, and converting between fractions, decimals, and percentages. Spend 30 minutes reviewing concepts, then drill practice questions for the rest of your session. For every miss, go back to the concept and understand why. Don't just memorize the answer. On day 4, take a verbal day, dedicated to word knowledge and paragraph comprehension. For word knowledge, focus on high-frequency ASVAB vocabulary and learn common roots, prefixes, and suffixes. These will let you decode unfamiliar words without guessing. For paragraph comprehension, read the question before the passage so that you know what you're looking for. Read actively, not fast. The answer is always in the passage. You're never asked to bring in outside knowledge. Drill 15 to 20 questions per section and dig into every wrong answer. Now on day 5, work on your line scores and job-specific subtests. Look up the line score requirements for the specific jobs that you want. Every military role pulls from specific subtest combinations, and knowing yours tells you exactly where to focus. Spend this day drilling those subtests, whether that's general science, electronics, mechanical comprehension, or another area relevant to your path. If you haven't picked a job yet, go back to your day 1 results and put today's full session into your weakest Armed Forces Qualification Test, or AFQT subtest. On day 6, do a full practice test and then take a break. Take your second full-timed practice test today. Compare your scores section by section against day 1. Where did you improve? Where are you still losing points? Where are you making careless errors that you can fix with awareness alone? Make a short list, no more than 3 things to tighten up tomorrow. Then step away and take a real break. Review your 3 targets lightly tonight, not a full session, just a refresh. Then put the books down, eat well, and get to sleep. Your brain consolidates what you've learned while you sleep, so let it do its job. Day 7, final review and test day prep. Instead of studying new material, drill your 3 targets from the day before. Run through a short mixed set of 30 to 40 practice questions as a warm-up, then close the books. More cramming now has diminishing returns. Make sure to go over your day checklist. Remember, there's no calculator on the ASVAB, so keep doing your math by hand during practice. Know your test format. If you're taking the computerized ASVAB, you can't go back to previous questions, so keep that in mind as you practice. The day before the test, eat well, limit screens before bed, and get a full night of sleep. It matters more than one last study session. Whether you have 7 days or 7 weeks, Study.com has everything you need to walk into the ASVAB prepared. Start with a personalized study plan built around your strengths and weaknesses, so from day one, your time goes exactly where it counts. Then drill with realistic practice questions that mirror the actual test, with detailed answer explanations that don't just tell you what you got wrong, but also show you how to fix it. And one last thing, if you're genuinely working with only 7 days, don't let that feel like a disadvantage. 7 focused days beats 7 weeks of half-hearted studying every single time. So you have the plan, you have the resources, the only thing left to do is to start. And the best time to do that is right now. So 7 days. That's all it takes to go from uncertain to prepared, if you use them right. If this video helped you out, hit that like button. It takes 1 second and it helps more people find this when they need it most. Also, subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. We've got all the ASVAB breakdowns, military prep guides, and the study strategies you need dropping regularly. 7 days from now, you could be walking out of that test room with the score that you need. So start today. You've got this.